Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I'm doing a challenge put out by Peace Craft Dolls with Tammy Powley. And today's was celestial. To us, that means the sky. So I got out some star fabric. Actually, I had made a pattern for this hat, and I thought, you know what, I've got that star fabric and a lot of it, so I'm going to make it in that. And then I thought, you know what, that'd be cute for Tammy's celestial. And I also wanted to show this. I bought this fabric. I know a lot of you made comments how much you liked it. It really worked out cute. I can't wait to make a dress out of this. I'm trying to figure a couple things out, how to make the top stand out a little more than just the same print. I don't know. I'm still thinking on that. Love it though. But anyway, I came up with this little hat, and what I had done was a while back, I had laid my Blythe down sideways and drew around her head to make a cape hood. And I made it loose here purposely so it would be forward on the doll. So I wanted a little whimsical hat. So what I did is I laid down my, you can see my cape pattern here, and then I took it on up and I just made a little hook, something whimsical, something fairy, and I did it out of the stars. So I thought, well, what can I put up front? I didn't want a pom-pom, I didn't want a bell. So because this is stars, I have three jump rings here holding the charm, so it moves around freely, kind of like an angler fish. But we put a little astronaut on the end of the star, black starry fabric, to indicate how small and insignificant we really are in the universe. So that's my little video for Tammy Celestial. I can't wait to see yours. Thank you, Tammy. These are always fun. What is next month, Tammy? Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.